Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is very creamy and juicy chicken Afghani. Using the same recipe, you could also prepare a grilled version of this. But today we are going to prepare a gravy version of this chicken Afghani. You could also make this into a dry fry. Beginning with the marination of the chicken, firstly add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon green chili paste. This recipe is not that spicy, that's why I'm just adding only 1 teaspoon. Next add 3.5 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Make sure that the water level is very less in your yogurt and it's very thick. Here I have already soaked some cashews for 10 minutes. This is around 10 to 12 cashews. Now to this add some almonds, also around 10 almonds. Now this both has to be grinded into a fine paste. I have not added any extra water. This is the water I have used for soaking the cashews. So this is a consistency, not too runny. But if you're trying to use the same recipe to prepare a grilled version, then try to make this paste very thick. Next we need some fresh cream. You can use any type of fresh cream which is unsweetened. Add 5 tablespoons of fresh cream to the cashew mixture. Next add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of chaat masala, which is purely optional. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Before adding the chicken, check for the taste. Add salt or garam masala if needed. Adding half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next add the chicken. This is around 1 kilo chicken cleaned. Now marinate this well onto the chicken. Finally, we need to add one more ingredient, that's kasuri methi, around 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi. We have to slightly dry roast the kasuri methi before adding. Mix this all very well and marinate well onto the chicken. Next, we have to give a slightly smoky flavor to this marinated chicken. For that, place a coal and pour some oil and then immediately cover and then rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the coal and allow the marination to stay on the chicken for at least overnight or minimum of 3 to 4 hours. Now after well marinating, now we are ready to prepare the dish. The first step is to cook the chicken alone without the marination. That's either by grilling or slightly fry in a pan. So here I am going to slightly fry it using some ghee. You can also use butter or even oil. I am using here only 1 teaspoon of pure ghee. Now place each chicken pieces which is fully covered with the marination. We just want the chicken to be slightly cooked. Now the first batch is ready. Remove the chicken. Also try removing the marination which has stick to the pan, else it will start to burn when you add the next batch. Repeat the same with the whole chicken. When the last batch is also ready, add all the chicken to the same pan. Also add the leftover marination. Now mix this all together very well and cover and cook on low flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes. No need to add any water or milk, just keep it on low flame. As you can see, there is lots of water which has released from the chicken and also from the yogurt. Now if you wish, you can keep the gravy as it is if you want to serve it along with rice or naan. For me, I'm going to slightly reduce it into a semi-thick gravy and then finally finish off with 1 teaspoon of butter. So now the tasty chicken Afghani is ready to serve hot with your favorite side dish. So hope you will try out and let me know your comments. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.